Good morning, fellow YouTube viewers. Welcome to another YouTube video. Yes, it's a tech load. This morning I went out to Officeworks and had to buy a new storage drive, and I'm looking at eventually planning to get a disk array for the Mac Mini running in the USB-C format or Thunderbolt 3 just for that quick storage. But unfortunately, I didn't have the sufficient funds to go out and get it. So it's like over 15 to 2 grand. So for a basic, disk array, but I've got a Temperature file storage drive. It's nothing fancy, it's just a Western Digital Elements drive, basic storage. It's a 10 terabyte drive, and I got this for a pretty good deal down at Officeworks. So contents will include an external hard drive, USB 3.0 cable, AC adapter, and a quick install guide. In different languages. It can work. It is compatible with Mac OS and Windows, and also the Windows 10. So easy setup. You just plug it in and plug it into your machine. Plug and play. It talks about on the box. So it has USB 3.0. It's fast data transfer, so when connected to a super speed USB 3, I'll sort of focus that in for a bit for you guys. USB 3.0 port, this drive lets you access and save files fast. Transfer a 2-hour HD movie in just 3 minutes instead of 13, which isn't too bad. So this is different comparisons to the WD Elements. Automatic cloud backup, I don't really need that. I'm happy with the base model Elements. So they had to open it at the shop to have a look, so I'm going to unbox it. So in here you've got the drive itself. So I'll just on the back you have the high-speed USB, DC in volt, Kensington lock, power button. So I'll take the plastic off. It is going to be fingerproof. You get fingerprints all over it, but that's fine. Nice. I'll bring it down again. I do apologise. So that's the drive itself. Also, we got, you pull the box. I'll just move the drive over here. So if you pull the box, you'll get power plug. Yeah, when I was at Officeworks this morning, the lady was like, "Oh, you had one returned, but apparently it was shipped with the wrong plug. It was shipped with a US plug." I just dropped it, breaking it before I even. And so I'll move the box out of the way on the plastic, and we'll also get out. So it also comes with a high-speed USB 3 cable, and also basic instructions on how to set it up, which no one will ever read, and also more instructions. How to plug it in. It's pretty straightforward. You just plug the device in and connect it to the computer. So what I'm going to do is turn this computer, my Ubuntu, my main. So I've got the screensaver open up on my Ubuntu machine, and it's got a few updates which we'll worry about later. But the drive has appeared on the screen exactly as we want it. So I don't think I can copy anything over to it because it needs to be formatted for Mac. Let's have a look. I've got to open a new Finder window. It should look like that, but it doesn't. So say we'll go to the downloads. I'll copy the transmission image over. I can't copy it. Or if I go down here, I can't copy it. So what we're going to do is we're going to go into disk utility. I'm going to have to wipe the drive to make it, because I think it's, yeah, see it, it's not, so we'll have to erase the drive. Elements, we'll have to change it to, we'll go MS-DOS FAT, change it to storage drive. For some reason it's in, what's called storage. And we'll erase. Oh, because we can't do that one. We'll have to. We'll go macOS Extended Journal, and we'll call it. That's a bit better. Now that should work. There we go. Now it'll be the business. So we're just gonna let it erase the disk. Taking its time. Mountain disk. So we'll go don't use as backup. Done, and it should open and it should be able to. That's, and then if we go to downloads again, back to our downloads, and we'll drag and the transmission, just the DMG over. Give it a sec. Go to storage, and it's copied. Perfect. So I'll take that off. Delete it. No, doesn't want to. That's, so we'll take that to the trash. And we'll empty the bin. Okay. And we'll close that. We don't need disk utility anymore. Close that, and we'll go into the settings, and we've got to mount the drivers. So we've got to go to sharing, and then we go to the file sharing tab, and we click add, and we click storage, and we'll click add. And then what this will do is set it to a right. So what we'll do, close that, and close that. We'll close that. We'll go into the File Explorer, and if this has gone to plan, we'll go to other locations. So let's search the network. Give it a sec. And we'll click on Mac Mini. Let's type one. I'll click that. Go connect. Oh, I just spelled it wrong. Well, I don't know why it's not working. I've typed it. This works, but for some reason Okay, that worked. We're in. It's worked. I just realised I had the... So brilliant. So now it's working. I'm going to end this video now. And also... Hello guys, this is my main computer setup, as you can see with the VSET Series 1 picture. Just letting you know, it is working. I've been playing around with it, got the it set up to how I like it. I got a new storage drive due to the 4 terabyte with 2 terabytes in the disk array has the drives have finally died, and also it's connected to the network. It's on the network service now. So if I click on it, I'll go back to the other storage. I can click on Mac Mini and click on storage drive, and it's all there. So what I'm going to do is open a new folder. I'm going to call main computer backup, because I'm going to do a backup of this computer, because this computer will be going through an update soon. It'll be getting. Set that over there. I'll make it a bit bigger. This will be getting Ubuntu 20.04 long-term support eventually, because I'm going to put a new hard drive in it, because this hard drive is a bit too small. It's a bit too small for what I need, and I feel 120 would be just probably perfect for this. And yeah, so what we'll do, I'll go to desktop. We'll copy that over. We'll go to that nothing here. I don't need any of that. I'll delete it off. Music, no pictures, and we'll copy that over. So pretty much it's just a storage drive, which I'm going to do a backup of, which will go to Avila. So I'm really upset, because hopefully I can try and I don't know. So we'll see how quick this will copy over. This will copy over the network. Apparently lost and found won't copy over, that's alright. So it's copying over 174 files, so we'll keep an eye on it and we'll see how it goes. So it's going to take 2 hours, which is fine, because what I'll be doing is I'm going to be looking at prepping this computer, and once it's done I'll do the upgrade before I go out.